In today's video, I'll show you how to embed Calendly on your website step by step. Embedding your scheduling page allows visitors to book appointments directly on your site without leaving the page, improving conversions and user experience. First, sign into your account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, make sure you already have at least one event type created, because the embed code is generated from your events. Now go to the Event Types section. Select the event you want to embed on your website, such as a consultation, coaching call, or meeting. Click on the Share or Invite option. Here you will see different sharing options, including embed options. Choose the embed style you prefer. Calendly usually provides three main types: inline embed, pop-up widget, and pop-up text link. If you want the calendar to appear directly on your web page, choose the inline embed option. Copy the embed code provided. Now go to your website builder, such as WordPress, Squarespace, or any HTML editor you are using. Paste the embed code into the page where you want the booking calendar to appear. Save and publish your changes. Now your Calendly booking system will be visible directly on your website, allowing visitors to schedule appointments instantly. Before finishing, test your website to ensure the calendar loads properly and the booking flow works smoothly on both desktop and mobile devices. And that's it. You've successfully embedded Calendly on your website and made your booking process seamless for visitors. And that's how you embed Calendly on your website. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.